Guys, it's me, Taylor, and I'm joined with Willow, and today we both are making a video.
On our other account, our gaming account.
This is an account for all of us to just kind of combined into one channel. So me and Willow here are both connected to it so far. So you'll see both videos from us two on this channel. You'll see some definitely with me and her, and then you also might see some with me and a few of our other friends as well.
And guys, guess what? It's called Star Drop. So you guys
Star Drop. That's our new
Star Drop Gaming.
Yeah, that's our new channel here, and I thought that was gonna be awesome. So we'll both release a trailer of our channels, on our channels about this thing.
Taylor.
So yeah,
Unfriend.
yeah, that guy. If you're looking at her thing, you can see that he was DJ Knight, but 56
I'm
was
DJ Knight.
mean.
No, he's not being mean.
He was kind of being stalkerish, so that's
he was literally like trying to date me. I'm like, what?
No online dating on Roblox.
Hi, I'm DJ Nate, a YouTuber. So if I join you, he's copying us because we do that.
I know. Yeah. Now, so we just thought this was kind of a good time. I'm sorry if you hear crunching. We're eating pizza right now.
Yeah, Taylor is, but I'm done with my pizza.
It's delicious. I love pizza. I'm like slapping my lips together. Well, so guys, that's about it for you guys. Well, I hope you did enjoy. I thought this was gonna be kind of a cool thing. We're gonna make a new intro for it. Everything is gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be called
Star Drop Gaming.
Yeah. The intro is gonna be Star Drop Gaming,
And then we're probably gonna have some like starry music for it.
Yeah.
So be prepared for that.
Yeah.
But for now, we're just gonna skip the intro because we don't exactly know what we're gonna do. So this is just gonna be a plain old video. Well, guys, I hope you did enjoy. Please subscribe to Taylor London 777YT and Willow 707 and all the other YouTubers in this channel. So yeah, we hope to see you in the next one.
We make videos because of entertainment and we love it, not because we want to be famous.
But we do it for you guys.
Yeah, to entertainment. If people didn't make videos, then you'll be bored all day, like, ugh.
Yeah, but that's why there's YouTube. So, guys, I hope you did enjoy, and please do subscribe to this if you did enjoy, and if you want to see what we're gonna come up with next on this awesome channel that we're all connected to. But yeah, guys, that's about it for y'all. Hope you did enjoy. And yeah, we hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're watching on different things, then you'll probably see my channel link in the description. If not, you'll see Willow's channel link in the description if you're watching her thing. And we'll also be posting a trailer on our channel. So I hope you did enjoy. And we hope to see you in the next one. Please subscribe. And yeah, peace out. Goodbye.
Willow out.
Yo,
Bye.
yo.
Bye.
We love you guys.